Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Finks. Today I'm showing you how to make my recipe for the best pumpkin muffins with chocolate chips. This is a muffin recipe, so you may want to make these for breakfast, but these muffins are loaded with chocolate chips, so they also make a great fall dessert. These pumpkin muffins are the perfect fall treat. They're made with buttermilk and they've got mild pumpkin flavor with warm cinnamon and pumpkin pie spices, and they're loaded with chocolate chips. Let's get started. To a large bowl, add 2 large eggs, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. Pumpkin puree is not the same thing as pumpkin pie filling. Whisk this together until it's well combined. Add 1 cup of buttermilk, half a cup of canola oil or your preferred cooking oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk this together. Now that we've got our wet ingredients mixed together, we'll add our dry ingredients. And this is a 1 bowl recipe, so we're just going to add our dry ingredients on top of the wet ingredients. Add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 cups of flour. Stir this together until there's no dry flour remaining. Next, add 1½ cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Stir this together until the chocolate chips are well incorporated. Prepare a muffin tin with non-stick liners or baking spray. Then fill the muffin cups 3/4 of the way up with batter. Bake for 21 to 22 minutes and cool for at least 5 minutes before serving. This recipe makes 24 muffins. That is a lot, but they do keep really well in a sealed container. And if you're anything like me, you'll probably want to eat one for breakfast and a snack and for dessert, so they probably won't last long. Give this recipe a try, I'm sure you're going to love it. Be sure to follow me for more great recipes. Thanks for watching.